Here's why you would link a query question to a checklist procedure. Say you have a procedure in the optimizer where it's more efficient to get the response directly from the client. For example, an inquiry about the client's address change. In this case, ask the client in the query. Then select More Actions, link to Checklist, and choose the related optimizer procedure to link it to the question. Once the client responds to the query question, and the staff member completes the query, the response automatically displays in the optimizer procedure. You can then copy the client's response to complete the procedure. Watch our next video in this series to learn how you can finalize your custom query in Caseware PBC Requests. Thanks for watching.